for just some tips for the winter maintenance when there are 10, 15 plus 20 centimeters of snow. You'll have to clean these front filter areas for fresh air, and obviously also remove snow so that you can open up the bonnet, number 2. And then I crush the car, lights and so on. Obviously you have to remove snow so that you don't get fines when light comes out of the light box. Windshields and wipers frozen. You have to take away all the hard invisible or visible snow so that you can drive the car, otherwise it will be fines. You can see that and you have to remove crust, ice from this area so that you can use the side windows. And then you have to remove snow from the handles. So there are a couple of things you have to look at, and also from that antenna, like it is snow here, probably that would open. And remember to have winter tires. I'm not sure if those are winter tires, but Michelin 15, 16. Oh, otherwise you can broke switches and all that. So good luck then.